Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to have a really quick, no-fill, straight to the point video on how we filled our raised garden bed that's using lasagna gardening methods. Our very first layer is going to be cardboard. This is going to provide carbon down at the bottom layer of the bed and is also going to make sure there's no chance any grass is growing through our bed. The next layer is going to be either straw or old dried up leaves from the previous season. Otherwise, if you have some old clippings from last year, that will work great too. Then on top of that, we're just going to dump some regular topsoil that we dug up as a part of a pond project. This is just going to provide some mass in the garden bed to help fill it up a little bit more than we would have without it. We've got to spread this apart and make sure that a lot of this sod is turned upside down. And then we cover it up with composted manure. This manure is about 3 years old and is mixed in with 25 to 50% sawdust along with it. So it's a great compost mix for this layer. The animal manure is going to provide nitrogen in the garden bed. For this layer, you can also do vegetable or food scraps in there. But if you do food scraps, make sure it's somewhat composted so your seeds don't germinate in your garden bed. Up next, we're going to do one layer of nothing but wood bedding. You can also do really fine ground wood chips if you guys would like to substitute it with that. And finally is a couple of inches of organic soil going up on top and providing the medium at which we will plant our seeds. If we dig down, we see that this sawdust has settled in. Some of the dirt has been washed into the crevices as well, and this is going to provide such a great medium to grow in. Well, thank you guys all so much for watching our video on how we layered our lasagna gardening beds. I'm so excited to share with you guys the results that we have throughout this growing season. I hope your gardens are growing well and you've got them all prepped and planned out too. Happy gardening as always, and we will see you in the next video.